Yo, this is my tool cart. I ain't got nothing fancy. Just a Mac tool cart, one drawer. Fuck it, cost $400. I mean, just getting my tool game up. I mean, I got a couple ratchets right here, extensions, bits, a couple snap-on products, ratchet, screwdriver, body hammer. Got my Wildcats. Some oil and all that shit. Got my DA dual action mag tool. Shit costs like fucking $288. And I got an extra one just in case. Right here. I haven't used that one yet. I got my Snap-on panel poppers. Always a good must for auto body techs. And that's basically all I got. I mean, it's a start though. I mean, I owe the Snap-on man and the Mac man a couple $100, but it's all good. Peace.